In this video, I'm going to show you how to move money from your Trust Wallet to your bank account. This process involves sending cryptocurrency from your Trust Wallet back to an exchange where you can sell it for US dollars and then withdraw it to your bank. I'll guide you through each step so you can do it safely and efficiently. First, open the exchange you plan to use to cash out. In this example, we'll use Crypto.com, but most exchanges work similarly. Inside the Crypto.com app, go to the Accounts tab and select your crypto wallet. Here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer from Trust Wallet. For this demonstration, let's use BNB. Click on BNB, then tap Deposit. You'll see an option to select the network. Make sure it matches the network used in your Trust Wallet, in this case, BSC. Once selected, copy the wallet address provided by Crypto.com. This is where your crypto will be sent. Now, open your Trust Wallet and go to the cryptocurrency balance you want to send. Tap on Send, then paste the wallet address you just copied from Crypto.com. After pasting, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can choose to send all of it, but make sure to leave a small amount for gas fees if you plan to do additional transfers later. Tap Next, and you'll see the network fee displayed, usually just a small fraction of the cryptocurrency, like a few cents in BNB. Confirm the transaction, and your crypto will start transferring. You can check the transaction details in Trust Wallet to see its progress. Usually, it moves from pending to completed very quickly. Once the crypto arrives in your exchange account, you'll see a pending deposit notification. Depending on the cryptocurrency, it may take a few minutes to a few hours to fully reflect in your balance. After that, you need to sell your crypto for US dollars. Tap on the coin in your exchange app, select Sell, and make sure the proceeds go to your USD or fiat wallet. You can choose to sell a partial or full amount depending on how much you want to withdraw. Confirm the sale, and now your exchange account will hold the dollar balance. With US dollars available in your exchange wallet, you can finally transfer the money to your bank. Go to the fiat or USD wallet in the app, select Withdraw, and choose your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm. The transfer may take a few business days depending on your bank and the exchange, but once it's complete, the funds will appear in your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully moved money from Trust Wallet to your bank account. By sending crypto to an exchange, converting it to US dollars, and withdrawing to your bank, you can safely cash out your digital assets. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free, with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.